Okay, so this is a pre-recorded video, like when we were first installing the intake and then just showing what we did for the day. But anyways, when we installed this intake, we had our check engine light came up and we had mass airflow error code. Um, the issue for that is just we literally had to move our air mass sensor away from the filter and also just check your charge pipe. You got a fucking what you whisper? Like, yeah, just check your charge pipe. Make sure like the O-rings are in securely, and yeah, that's it. You should be all good.